Machines like these step in. This isn't destruction for spectacle. It's precision, efficiency, and raw engineering, designed to turn chaos into clean output. What you're about to see is green technology at full force. Where wood, debris, and biomass don't get wasted, they get transformed. It doesn't just perform, it hunts. The Beaver 92 RBM charges in fast and loud, not as brute force, but as forestry with intent, built for mobility, designed to draw attention, and the moment its jaws lock onto wood, everything else goes quiet. This is not chaos. This is controlled aggression. Twisted limbs, dense brush, tangled roots, none of it matters. The Ergo 993 dives straight into the mess, feeding itself with surgical precision. Every movement flows. Each chip flies higher than the last. Mobile land clearing at full speed, brutal, fast, and completely under control. The Tiger 320 never pauses. It takes everything green branches, limbs, waste, and reduces entire thickets to nothing. The loader keeps feeding, but the machine never slows. This isn't cleanup. This is total conversion. What often goes unnoticed is how these machines compare to older feller bunchers in speed, accuracy, and efficiency. That curiosity leads to something bigger, the concept of fully mobile shredding units, chippers, loaders, and trucks arriving together. Eliminating waiting time, eliminating extra transport, processing wood, biomass, and even cardboard directly on site. Waste doesn't move anymore, it transforms where it stands. Mounted on a man truck, this beast turns logs into dust with ruthless speed. Piece by piece, it disappears. And that's just the warm-up. The 6710D doesn't care what you feed it: logs, branches, chaotic debris. With every ton dropped in, it grinds faster and tighter. This isn't high-volume chipping anymore. This is controlled overload, engineered to stay efficient under pressure. Another green giant wakes up. The PTH 121000M bites into wood as if it's personal. Smooth intake, straight feed, zero hesitation. It's not about speed, it's about certainty. Nothing escapes. Precision meets brute force, and this is only the beginning. Raw chaos meets precision teeth as the CBI 680 shreds roots and dirty trunks like paper. Mulch erupts in high arcs, raining down in a storm of controlled destruction. Every drum rotation extracts value, violence, perfectly engineered. The Brooks 806.2 pints chipper mounted on a Volvo FH16 proves longevity matters. Even years later, rigs like this still dominate job sites. Cold efficiency, massive throughput, built for large-scale chipping without compromise. This machine doesn't chew, it swallows. Solid trunks vanish in seconds. Behind the shield, the drum erases everything. You almost hear the logs scream, but only once. Some concepts are simply smart. Branching, splitting, and processing logs through integrated PTO setups streamline everything. Power demand meets real efficiency. Even homemade solutions can be versatile when engineering is done right. Then the forest answers back. With every excavator feed, red steel erupts into a storm of flying chips. This isn't machinery anymore. This is dominance. It doesn't chip, it obliterates. Whole logs, roots and all, ground into mountains of mulch. Every excavator swing feeds the beast, and it responds with thunder. This isn't just a chipper, it's a full processing line. Bark stripped, logs shredded, clean chips launched straight into trailers. Machines working together, not faster, smarter. This is next-level forestry. And when you think it can't get heavier, the HG6800TX proves otherwise. One bite, and an entire tree disappears into dust. No hesitation, no leftovers. Green technology doesn't mean gentle, it means efficient. Construction waste, broken pallets, industrial scraps, it doesn't matter. These chippers turn chaos into consistency. In this world, waste becomes fuel by design. Older machines like the Maxim 850 remind us that serious engineering existed long before modern hype. Built to survive harsh conditions, massive infeed dimensions, tested by time rather than marketing. Then comes 500 horsepower paired with variable hydraulics and adjustable chip length. Roadside or deep forest, optimized for biofuel production at maximum efficiency. This is forestry technology with purpose. PTO options for fieldwork, electric power for shops, diesel for off-grid sites. Flexibility isn't an afterthought, it's the design philosophy. conveyor systems included. Nothing wasted. The Petzolato PTH-12 moves forward without rushing, without hesitation. Powered by a caterpillar heart, it grips wood like hunted prey. Patient, relentless. One log at a time, the forest collapses into usable energy. This is not destruction. This is transformation. This is green technology at full force.